Number 6. Back up your files. It means to make a copy of computer data for protection.
Always back up your files to avoid losing them. Always back up your files to avoid losing them. She backs up her files on an external hard drive. She backs up her files on an external hard drive. Backing up your files can prevent data loss. Backing up your files can prevent data loss.
Number 7. Suffer from backache. It means to experience pain in one's back.
Many people suffer from backache after long hours of sitting. Many people suffer from backache after long hours of sitting. She started yoga to not suffer from backache anymore. She started yoga to not suffer from backache anymore. He suffers from backache due to an old injury. He suffers from backache due to an old injury.
Number 8. Background music. It means music that is played quietly in the background of another activity.
Background music in cafes creates a cozy atmosphere. Background music in cafes creates a cozy atmosphere. They chose soft background music for the dinner party. They chose soft background music for the dinner party. Background music helps me concentrate while I work. Background music helps me concentrate while I work.
Number 9. Background noise. It means ambient sound that is not the main focus, but is still audible.
Background noise makes it hard to hear the conversation. Background noise makes it hard to hear the conversation. He uses background noise to help him sleep. He uses background noise to help him sleep. The recording had too much background noise to be clear. The recording had too much background noise to be clear.
Number 10. Create a bad impression. It means to give a negative view of oneself to others.
Being late to the interview can create a bad impression. Being late to the interview can create a bad impression. Rudeness will create a bad impression with guests. Rudeness will create a bad impression with guests. She worried that her mistake would create a bad impression. She worried that her mistake would create a bad impression.